Today I have a product review of sorts. I keep getting crazy Facebook ads for beauty stuff. I don't do anything on a normal basis. I put on lipstick today, that's a big deal. This is day 2 of the rag curls, so my hair is super fluffy, and I thought it was a great time to actually review the one thing that I've ever bought from Facebook ads, which is this thing, the Bun Barz. And this is the Pony-O. I get these insane ads on Facebook for beauty stuff because I just can't look away at what people do to themselves. But this one had been advertising to me for maybe 6 months, and I actually bought it. So this is not sponsored in any way. This is a general, like, I bought these things because I'm lazy and wanted to see if it could make me do hair. And it can. I was shocked. So I got them yesterday, pulled them out, and took a look at them. This is the kind that I was using since I was a teenager, which is a stuffed thing. It has like a net around it, and it has a snap, and this is how my mom would do my hair in the 90s with a high ponytail or a bun. This is plastic, rubber, I'm not sure. It's got this wing-a-ling thing, and it's got some sort of metal inside, something that holds its body. See, the idea is you stick your hair between this and sandwich it, roll it up, and then it bends, and you smush it into shape, and it holds your bun. Doesn't seem like it worked, but it actually did work. This Pony-O thing you're supposed to use with that. You stick your ponytail through that, and then you squish it like this, kind of like a U, and then you smash it together, and it's supposed to not move. And it worked. I'm shocked. So like, this is one of those seen on TV things that actually works. I, of course, don't really do modern hair, or if I do a big like lazy bun. But I'm going to try to do antique hairstyles. I'm going to try to do a Victorian one. So let's see if I can get an 1890s style hair with modern hair tools. My hair's all everywhere. I've got a comb with pointy thing. Don't know what these are called. Get a pointy thing comb. And I am going to take this whole front section of my hair down to my ears. And this other section here. And I think this will be the front part of 1890s hair.
After I get the front all separated, I just roll it up and stick a clip on it. That's going to hold it out of the way. Now I gather all the back of my hair, and actually it would have been better if I had put this even higher on my head for 1890s hair. So if you do that, keep that in mind. You open the Pony-O and you stick your whole ponytail through it, and then you smush it flat. Then you turn in the ends, and then you smush it again. It holds really securely once it's in place. Now, I'm going to use the bun bar, shove the hair between it, and I'm going to roll it upward. So smush it, and then roll, and then you bring the ends towards the back. You overlap them, and you smush them again. And then you maneuver your hair around and smush, and maneuver your hair around and smush until it's in place. So you can see the ponytail bun is actually a little bit low, so it should be higher on my head for 1890s. Then you take the front hair. So undo the little clip that you had, and I saw a side part in the original photo, so I'm giving myself a side part. Then I'm rolling my hair up like you would do with 1940s victory rolls. First tease it a little bit for volume, especially if you don't have curls already. And then roll and roll and roll, and then take your bobby pins and stick one in each end of the hair. Then if you have crazy bangs like mine, you just pull them out of the way and pin those back as well. Then you grab your other section, you back comb or back brush to give volume, then roll it around your fingertips up until your head and pin it like the other side with a bobby pin in each side of the hair. Now I noticed that in the original picture she had sort of a little down part. I don't know what it's called, where it goes down over your forehead a little bit. So I'm just playing with my bangs here to try to get that wave in the front. So it worked alright for 1890s hair. I think that I need to make my bun higher, and this would work for Regency hair as well, actually. If I spent the time putting those flyaways back, it'd turn out really good, I think.
Okay, for version 2, I'm going to try Edwardian, like early Edwardian hair. I saw someone on YouTube try the bun bar without the Pony-O to hold it in place, and I'm going to see if I can get more of a floaty Edwardian hairstyle. I have a ton of hair, so I'm not sure if it'll work on me, but we'll see if it does. So first I'm going to take down this part, and then I will try to redo it in an early Edwardian hairstyle.
I'm going for the Edwardian hairstyles that were really fluffy and supernatural looking, not the kind that you see like in Hollywood with really polished. So for this, I'm just going to undo the Pony-O, and I'm going to use the bun bar. So I stick my hair between the ends of the Pony-O right in the middle and sandwich it up. Then I roll it up until it gets to my head. And I'm trying not to pull it super tight, but it does need to be secure. Then I smoosh it like before. I'm pulling it up so that I get more fluff. Then I take the pointy end of the comb and I stick it in there and pull some more hair out, maneuver my hair around the bun, and just keep going until I start getting more Edwardian style fluffy hair. I think that looks pretty good. Then I take down the front part, and instead of doing 3 sections this time, I'm going to try doing it in one big section because I'm lazy. So I roll it around my fingertips until I get to my head. Then I'm going to grab some bobby pins and stick them in each side. After that, I have to deal with the bangs, so I'm going to pull those back and bobby pin those as well. Could spend some time here getting the sides to look a lot better by combing and then pinning them into place. It gets a really good Edwardian look for everyday people.
Okay, so I think it worked. If I was going to do this pompadour in the front again, I probably would back comb my hair before I tried to roll it up, because even with second day curls, it doesn't quite have the volume. So I'd either do that or use another hair wrap and roll it up and get super puff. But this feels really secure. It doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. And I'm a hard sell on product. So like I said, not connected in any way. I bought my own one. This is not affiliation. But if you're hair lazy like me, you might be able to get by with this modern hairstyling tool for old styles, or just wear it for regular hair. So thumbs up from me.